Hello friends, I am Praveen Kumar Dhankar. Thank you for watching my videos and my channel Knowledge Junction. Do like, share and subscribe my channel for new and upcoming videos. So in today's video we are focused how we can convert image file, that is a JPG PNG image into MS Word. So let we start. Like we have two image file, just have a look. This is the one and this another, one for English, one for Hindi. So we have convert these two into MS Word. So you have to be login into Google, and then you go to the my drive, Google Drive. In that you click on new, and then in that you have to be click on file upload. So I will select both these two file to upload as I have selected. So these two file start uploading. It will come on your drive. When once it uploaded, then it come on drive. As you can see, these two files are uploaded in my drive. So click, I'm converting English file. So you just click in that and then start to open it with Google Doc. Then your file start to convert in Google Doc. Yes, you have a look. It's processing. It will take little bit time, and then you can see this is conversion of your file. So you first go to the file, in the file section, and you download in Microsoft Word. And then you save in your system, and then you open it. In the meanwhile, I open English Hindi file with Google Doc. So that I will show you how both files can be converted into MS Word file. You can have a look. Yes, how it is converted. Your every words can be converted into MS Word. So again I go to the file and download section, then download this file into MS Word type and save in my system. And this is English file open in Word, enable editing, and then you can see I will select all and clear all formatting. So this you can say, you can, every single word can be converted into MS Word. You can compare it with your output, that is in the Word, and by this you can make a little changes and then it will go. Now we have a look for Hindi. So it's like this. I'm just open it. And you start enable editing, and then you, another thing, you have a look, you can delete this and just see, this is your Hindi file, and clear formatting. So all formatting things remove, and you can save it, and then whatever change you want you can be do in your desired output. So these are, you can compare it with your file, you can compare it with your image file, how your word file is converted. So every single word can be converted into MS Word. So thank you to like, share and subscribe my channel for upcoming new interesting videos which will be benefit for you in this scenario, and utilize your time with learning and sharing. So thank you very much.